Hello guys and welcome. Just a quick video to show you the weapon system of ESFPS Survival asset you can find on the Unity Asset Store. So we'll start. First of all, I will press play and we'll start with a first we'll take something with a script, not on a weapon. Yeah, I know it's weird because it's a weapon system, but I want to show you this script that I called breath idle. It's like to simulate someone breathing, because you don't like when playing and it's like doing nothing. So we don't really see it because there is nothing around really. So don't have a point to see it's really moving, but you can use it except just for idle state. I don't know, maybe your character was running and you go out of stamina, like the bar, and you need to stop to walk, and when is idle, I don't know, maybe you want some breathing, like can't really breathe like normal, 5, I think. I hope you can see it, but I think, yeah. So just for that, and I talk about this script because we use the same for the weapon idle. Of course, you can just configure it with X, Y, and Z. And the move scale, it's like the name it's telling, it's the scaling of the movement. If I put 5, see it's breathing like fast but not so hard. If I put 5 on the scale, there, so okay. If I put 10, and yeah, like I don't know, 20, it's going like that, So you see the point. Like, yeah. That now. Now we start with weapon. So take a gun and go. So of course, you can change on that bar on mouse wheel with 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. You can throw weapon. You can take it back. You can, when you take it to put in the inventory, it's going unequipping the game object. Put it back, it's coming back, etc. Basic stuff. So weapon breath idle, it's exactly the same, but just for the weapon. If I go, I don't know, like there, that and that, you see? It's the same, but you have a camera moving and the game object moving it too. So back, yeah, like that. So we don't stay on this one. Start with the weapon script. So there you can find the standard stuff. It's okay to reload. Matter of course, attack point, puzzle. For now it's an empty game object. Bullet decals, it bullet holes. Shoot on something you allow to shoot. Shell point, it's from where the empty shell, the game object, are coming out. So if I shoot, you see on the right, bullet. For now they are just falling because I take the time to make velocity and find the good things I want. Here we'll take the K. We have more. And yeah. So just standard. After we have the sway. Sway, it's when you move to the left, your weapon and your arm will go a little on the right, and when you move to the right, go a little on the left. It's to give some movement realism, I think. I don't know, but I like it in games. And the same for up and for down. So you can modify the amount as you like for each weapon. It's just created for each weapon. The sway max amount, it's a clamp value. It's to clamp the... Take the gun because I the clamp, when you go, see I'm stuck, I can't go down more, but you see the way it's still coming. So you don't want that the camera go inside like arms or something or weapon. When the player is moving, you don't want going inside the weapon or arm. So you clamp it, that it's stopping. So you can change the value as you like. I don't know why I put that because I don't need so much. And this way is smooth, it's talking by itself, it's to smooth the movement. This way. After we have the field of view. By default I put 60 because I like, but you can put 70 if you like. Have more real view. Like 60 because yeah. And you have the aim field of view. So you put 40, see, and you can change it. I don't know, like on 20, like I don't know. You find an apple, and the apple, when you eat the apple, it gives you a bonus, and you see better. So you can zoom more. Well, I don't know, just something like that, you know. And you can change it live, of course. It doesn't change the aiming or anything. Speed to aim, speed to normal, I need to change the name because it's not speed to aim and speed to normal, it's speed to aim field of view and speed to normal field of view. If I put 1 and 1, see it's like stunt and ugly. So like so that you can adjust your field of view changing speed with your animation. By the way, there is just an animation, I don't remember if I say it, but for equipping. Sorry for my English, guys. And for aiming. I was starting to make my script for aiming, but I was thinking maybe, I don't know, when you aim with a gun, maybe you will want that the left hand or right hand go, I don't know, other place. So I'm like, okay, they will make an animation, so there's no point I don't make one fast. After we have damage per bullet. So damage per bullet, it's special for, say, a shotgun. I want to throw it. Why? Because when you have a shotgun, and I don't know, you have a, sorry for the clipping, I don't care about that right now. You have your enemy there, you shoot, want, he takes the 6 bullet. But if you are, I don't know, like there, you shoot, don't want, he take every bullet, going on the trigger of the dust. So he will take less damage from distance. We were on damage per bullet. So just for other item like pistol and automatics will go on 1 bullet, so just put damage. Now you have the reload time, so I think it's self-explaining. Time to reload. I don't have a reload animation, but you can see on the number. Press R, it's 1 second. Magazine size, it's clear. Range, it's clear. Time between shooting, it's kind of clear, but I can show you 0, and if I put, I don't know, 1, and even if I spam, it will go every second. Bullet per shoot, the same. It's kind of special for weapon as you like, because you can take weapon as you like with this kind of script. For now, it's going especially for the shotgun. So if I shoot 6, I will have 6 decals, 1 gauge, of course. But I don't know, maybe you want to shoot 20 with a weapon, or 3, or I don't know. But you see the point. The spread, it's spread. So if you put 0 and shoot 6 bullets, they will go on the same place. If you put 25 shot, they will go so spread. Time before destroy decals, it's for bullet hole and empty shells. Put 8, but you just because it's a project, so you don't need bullet holes and everything stays so long, so 8 seconds it's enough. Mussol, it's for automatic, and now I'm reading it. When you read the code, it's like, yeah, Mussol will be perfect because I will remember, but automatic will be a better name. If you stay on the left click, you can fire. If I take the gun, it's not on Mussol, it just shot once. After each shotgun, so each shotgun is when you're shooting the shotgun. If I shot, you know, you see I'm 166. If I shot, it's less 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. If I don't check this shotgun, we'll have the same bullet, but not divided by the bullet per shot. So when you will shot, you'll go 6 by 6. And I don't know, for a shotgun or weapon like that, better to have, I don't know, like 4 shot and 8 on magazines and 1 by 1. I think it's more logical. After that, we have the camera recalls. It's like when you're shooting, like this line there. Watch it on the top left of the screen. When I shoot, you see the camera is moving. So you can adjust that as you like. I don't remember if I can make it live. No. I need to, sorry, to take my camera recall. If I put, I don't know, 15 on Y, I go back on him, see it's going like crazy. 6. The same, you can adjust that on X, Y, and Z. For the fire, it's like the normal shooting, and the aiming. So aiming, you will have less camera recall, and you can adjust the speed when the camera goes up, on left, on right, depending on the recall you give, and the return speed of the camera when after you shoot the camera slowly come back. Now we'll go on the weapon recall. So, a bad mistake. Back, yeah. Tac, tac, up. So if I shoot, nothing happens except the camera moving. If I put, I don't know, on D, minus or 5, going back. Sorry, I missed my word today. So it's going back. So the kickback is like the position when you shoot, and of course the rotation is the rotation. I don't know. So it minus 15. Say, see the gun is going a little up. You can put a larger value. You can see better. See. So you put that and that, and now you have a bigger gun. So it's really easy to set up every weapon you want with all of that. So let's live. And you have the same rotation aim and kickback for aiming. So when you're aiming, the gun is moving. And with that, you can have a nice weapon recall. And the last one is movement. I will think to back. It's a lot. Wait. So when you idle, your weapon is moving just a little, but when you walk or run, nothing happens. And there, this crit I make like 2 rotation and 1 position. Sorry. We'll start with the last one. I call tiny rotation because I didn't know how to call it. Tiny because it takes a rotation on 2 points, on the position and on the rotation point. So, for example, if I put, I don't know, something enough, 0.6 on the X, move scale the same, it's the scaling, it's like the bracing, you know. We'll put 5 to arenas. When I move, you see, it's going right, left. It's not a rotation. I call it rotation. I don't know. I like to call it rotation for me. It's a position, but I don't know. It's like that. At least you can change it when you want, you know. But you understand the point. I think something like that will be okay. Yeah. So we have a little movement the X, maybe 0.2, minus 0.2. That we have a little rotation. It's for that I call tiny rotation because it's like a cycle. Not really a cycle because it's not round, but he make a movement like a rotation. And it's same. So you see the movement? You can change that with the moving speed on X, Y, and Z there. It's like you have a movement. I don't know, I will put larger value that you can see better. Yeah, I think it's okay. See the movement? If I change X, you see it's not the same now. If I go back and change, I don't know, 5 and 3, it will be another movement. For that I call it like tiny rotation because he make like tiny circle all around. And you can play with that even dynamically if you want to change value depending I don't know when the player is going up on the cliff or down or something to change it. And you have the running movement speed. We'll put something like that. So will be the same value because I didn't find real things to put the change of rotation on our running speed. This one, because just like that, it's really enough. So much. See it? Yeah, and even just with this tiny rotation, it's really not so bad when you're walking and running. So it's a start. After that, we have the positioning and the rotation of walking and running. So we'll just make walking because it's the same, but when you run. So you have the walk speed. If I put 0 and 0.2 on X, there is nothing more. If I put 3.5 like I like it for walking, see? We have another positioning. Different from this one. It's not the same way to calculate. So normally I go something like that. Yeah. Same for Y. If we put 0.2, it's going really up and really down. 0.2, the same. Okay. And 0.2 for the Z. It's going like some boat. So we'll go like that, I think. And now, if you really watch it, with the time you will find the same pattern. But on like some second, you'll have different pattern because of the two movement. Because it's not the same way to calculate. And that's just position. And now we check the rotation. For now, I think it's really not so bad. For running, it didn't make so. Okay. And now I will show you the rotation. So for X, I will put something like 12 that you can see. You see it's going up and down, but on a rotation on a point like on the end of the character. So we can put something like -2. Sorry. Yeah, you make a little movement. We make the same for Y. So it's going left and right. So maybe 3. Yeah, or at least we don't need to adjust right now. And for the Z, so maybe I will put more that you can see really this one. It's going left and right, but on rotation. So something like 3. And it's maybe too much, but it's like I like it. So you see, you can figure as you want. That I think. Yeah, I like it like that. You can configure as you want, or of course you can make the same the ruling, or you can make it fast and like double the value will be too much, I think, but 2 0 0 2 and 0 0 0 1. Sorry. So we're walking and we're running. Oh, it's okay, but you can change it, and you, like I said, it's script, so you can change it dynamically. Sorry for my English. And have like, I don't know, after 3 seconds change value, after 5 seconds change another value, and like that you will have really random movement like in real life, because when you are in real life and you run in something like maybe a little gun, but AK, it's ugly with AK, sorry. It's ugly with that too. It's ugly with that too because it's okay. I forget what I wanted to say, sorry. Can have, yeah, it's because of that. You can have different value, change it when you want in the game. Yeah, okay, let it like that. And you'll have not random, because it will be never be random except if you change value randomly in live, but why not? At least I can check that, could be an idea. And so you will have weapon and weapon movement as you wish without any animation, so you will win so many time. And I think we finish for everything. We check weapon. Of course you can throw, I think I already showed you, you can throw back weapon. You have an inventory. You can equip and equipped. This one, it's really ugly. And yeah, that's all for the weapon system. So I hope the video was okay. And if you have any question, I will put on the link of my Discord on the description, sorry. And the link of the asset if you want to check it with maybe more detail in global, with the inventory and the driving car and the consumable system and the chest system, like storage system, and like to call loot box. And that's all for this video. Thank you, and see you later.